What's up? What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. So what we got here is a word problem where it's about a ball game where the general tickets are $5 and the reserve tickets are $14. And what we sold was 31,000 tickets and we made $200,000. So what we want to know is how many general admissions tickets were sold and how many reserve tickets were sold. So in order to do that, I made a table, and based on what I read, I put those in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call G here the number of general admission tickets, while the R is the number of reserve tickets. So if I'm correct, what I'll have here is that I'll have there we go. All right. If I look at this column right here, what I will see is that I have an equation right here that the number of general admission tickets plus the number of reserve tickets is going to equal to 31,000 tickets. And up here, what I have is that the $5 that costs for each general admission ticket plus the $14 times each of the reserve tickets would give me that $200,000. So what I have here is two equations, two unknowns. In fact, it's probably better off that I take this and put it up here and take that and do this with it. And then take this and bring it up here and take this and do that with it. There we go. That looks much better, doesn't it? All right. So if that's the case, I have two equations, two unknowns. I can do it with elimination or substitution. So let's go ahead and take this and duplicate this. I'm going to bring it over here because then it'll be easier to do. Now, it doesn't really matter which way you want to do it because it's not going to tell you to do it by elimination or do it by substitution. It's more about getting it done. So if you want to, you can certainly do it by elimination and eliminate the G by multiplying the bottom equation by a -5. So the top equation is going to stay as is. Awesome. So I'm going to take that and just duplicate it and bring it over here. The bottom equation, however, is now I got to distribute that -5, so I'm going to have a -5G minus 5R is going to equal to, depending on what 31,000 times -5 would be. It would be at -155,000. All right, so from here, I can now add the 2. So I'm going to eliminate G. As you see, 5G minus 5G is no G's, right? So I got 14 minus 5, so I'm going to have a 9R uppercase R that is equal to 45,000. So divide by 9, then my R is going to be 5,000 tickets. So there is 5,000 reserve tickets. So if there's 5,000 reserve tickets, right? And there was a total of 31,000 tickets. That must mean that I have 31,000 minus the 5,000 must mean the amount of general admission tickets, right? So the general admission tickets would be 26,000 tickets. All right? Because the 5,000 reserved, so that means the general must be 26,000. And that's going to be choice A. Hopefully that answers your question. If there's any other questions, please let me know. See ya.